How are you all? Welcome back in our YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to tell you six best business ideas for the USA. So guys, if you're interested for business, then you remember always most important thing which can I tell you. So first of all, the business landscape in the United States is always changing. New technologies, trends, policies all contribute to the changing business landscape. Below are 30 or 6 business ideas based on recent industry research and design for 2022 and by beyond. So if you have not subscribed our channel, then subscribe this channel. So let's get start our I first business idea is e-commerce distribution center for small business. This is very famous business idea, e-commerce distribution, and it it was running from past 20 years. So you can start. So let's know more details about this idea. E-commerce in the USA grew to over $450 billion in 2017. 16% increase from 2016. However, with these exciting assets, the huge expense of Image.com creates thought or competition for the small business. This business idea would help fix that by creating a service where a small business can have their products shipped for storage and distribution, ultimately helping manage their online sales. This also takes out the compilations of managing of operation for business small business owners. But the market set up to grow further. This idea is one to watch. So I hope you understand. This is very great idea. Our second business idea is retail distribution consulting. Retail distribution consulting. Many retail commercial spaces are becoming ghost towns as people continue to shift to purchasing stuff online. A unique trend that has already been established in China is using retail outlet space for both customers and distributors. They shrink in the front space to make room for a space in the back for distribution. To execute on this idea, one could approach mid-sized companies with retail storefronts that do not get much foot traffic and consult them how to better utilize their space. This will be a growing need for business as the e-commerce trend continues. So guys, if you in doubt related this idea, please tell in the comment box and I tell you a solution. So our next business idea, international trade consulting company. Since Trump's presidency, there have been a lots of change and more potential change coming with international trade. This company would help other companies keep up and manage these changes in regulations, trips, and other certainties. As other countries change their policies, there will be more demand for this idea. So let's move our next business idea. Our next business idea is personal cybersecurity software company. So this is very famous idea in the United States. So you can go through. Cybersecurity threats continue to increase year to year, and security of the threats keep increasing. For instance, look at the recent influx have millions are affected. Almost everyone has a smartphone with several social media accounts, online banking, personal photos, other important information. Many people don't have this protection. This idea would started to executive and rich who really need their personal information secure at all time. As online services grow, so does the potential for this company as more cyber attacks happen. So this idea is on trending. So I hope if you're interested and if you have any information and experience in this field, then you can start this business. Our fifth business idea is small business cybersecurity software company. A small business cybersecurity software company. So you can easily run. Again, with the increasing in cybersecurity threats, many small business are vulnerable to attacks and threats too. Many of them also cannot afford big name software system or an IT department to get things under control. By developing software that would protect all the basic areas of a small business, you could serve 98% of the business community in the United States. Our last and sixth business idea is security company, drone powered. So let's know. So with the use of drones, one can provide surveillance to large areas using thermal and HD cameras. It can also prevent the threat to human security employees from any harm from robbers and other threats. This is also an idea that can be started with a little company surprisingly. All you would need to do is buy a drone that is quite has thermal, noise and HD capabilities. In total costs about 100 $1,500 if you shop smart, then you could go and get security contracts for large pieces of land. I hope you understand about these business ideas and you can start these business ideas with small money. So guys, if you have any kind of doubt, please tell in the comment box and make sure subscribe this channel. Also like, share the video and see you in the next video.